Hi guys, so today we are making pickle spheres from scratch. Very simple recipe. I left all the ingredients you will need at the end of this video. You want some pickling cucumbers for this recipe. You do need a handful of spices. We are going to boil those spices in water and vinegar first, and then you want to salt it. If you don't like anything salted, you can completely opt out, that's fine. Give it a nice little stir. I wanted a spicy pickle, so if you prefer something not spicy at all, you can opt out of those arbol chilies. Now we want to cut our pickling cucumbers into spheres, discs, or circles, whatever you prefer. We're going to put that in the jar, make sure they all fit, and now pour over your boiling hot vinegar water. Add your spices, your chilies, and your bay leaf. And now we are just going to let that cool down on the counter for about an hour. You do want to put this back into the fridge overnight, and it should be ready to eat tomorrow. They were so crunchy and yummy the next day. I snack on these all the time, and they are keto, which is the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I can't wait for you to make it.